Sri Trichy Siva.
Point of. I have a point of.
No, there is so much of disturbance. What point of order can be taken? No point of order can be taken. No, you have to read. Otherwise, I am going to give the chance to the other member.
What is it?
No. Your own people are making this shouting here, and you are on the point of order.
What is the point of order?
You tell me very clearly. You want to speak on the subject or not?
I want to speak, but before that I need an explanation.
No. How I can allow a point of order when everybody is shouting? There is no point of order. There is no order. Then what is the use of a point of order? Let everybody go to their seat.
We have come
Sit
to
there.
speak only.
Then
They are going. They are going, sir.
Yeah.
They are going to their seat.
Honorable member, I will tell you one thing. Nobody can take the house for granted.
Yeah, of course.
Everybody should go by the norms of the house.
The rules. Everybody has to go by the rules.
Yes, then you are occupying the well and what rules it is.
They have
there?
gone back. All of them have gone back.
Let them go to their seat and sit. Otherwise, you have to read in the.
I'll come.
Now house is in order. Bro. Tell him. बैठ जाइए. बैठ जाओ.
Allow point of order.
I will give a chance to everyone, provided if you are in order.
Now they are in order.
Yeah.
You start.
Sir, we have come here to speak only, sir.
Sir, now they are disturbing.
Tell me
Now
the.
they are disturbing.
Sir, this side is in order, sir.
Okay, you tell me the rule, or you want to speak on this?
Tell me the rule. He's saying, tell me the rule.
Mr. Chairman, this side is in order.
So,
Let me.
yes, as I am coming to you later, please. You tell the point of order.
Rule 239, sir. When for the purposes of explanation, during discussion or for any other sufficient reason, any member has occasion to ask a question under the consideration of the council, he shall ask the question through the chairman. Sir, my simple question is, sir, we all gave 267 notice, sir. You dispensed off with it. You didn't even tell what are the reasons why you dispensed off, in what reason the notice.
The reason has been read out by me in my answer itself, and I am rejecting it. I have told you
At least allow the
what are the
LOP.
reasons. There is no point of order.
Allow the LOP.
There is no point of order.
LOP to speak.
पे चर्चा से क्यों भाग रहे हैं लोग?
Allow the LOP to speak.
सर वोट चोर सरकार चर्चा से क्यों भाग रही है?
Sir, please take discussion on SIR. Everybody wants that, sir. Sir, everybody is protesting for discussion on electoral reform.
Now,
Keep that urgently.
Vishakan, you want to speak on the subject, you speak.
Sir.
Otherwise, I am going to call the next
Sir,
person. No, I am not going to listen to you. I am not going to listen to you other than the subject.
Sir, kindly listen.
No. Dr. V. Shivadasan.
Respected Chair, my topic is the attack of wild animal, but I believe the union government is trying to attack the voters and the people of the nation.
No, Sri.
Sir, this is the topic, sir.
No, Sri. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. Sri, I am going to call the next person. If you don't want to talk on the subject, I am going to call the other person. No, whether you have to stick to your subject or otherwise, I am not going to allow you to speak. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. You want to talk, you talk about the subject. Otherwise, I am going to call the next speaker.
So I am asking to you, Sir,
No, no,
please-
no, no, no,
please
no,
take
no.
the initiative
No,
for
no,
the
no,
discussion
no.
on SIR.
No, no,
Sir,
not at all.
The wild animal
You can-
attack is my topic. The
You
government
go-
is,
you-
sir,
you-
the
if you want
government
to-
is
if you want
trying
to
to
speak-
attack the people of
You
the
want to
nation
speak,
in
you
the
speak
name
about
of
the
SIR,
subject.
sir.
I am giving
My
you the last
topic is
chance.
wild animal. The wild
I am
animal
giving you
attack
the
is
last
very
chance.
serious.
If you want to speak on
Sir,
this, otherwise I am going
what I am
to.
telling, wild
Shri
animal
Birendra
attack is
Prasad.
serious. Did it-
Vice, Shri Birendra Prasad Vice.
Sir, thank you very much. I am here today on behalf of people of Assam, on behalf of my party, Assam Gana Parishad, and my party president, Atul Bora, supporting demand by the sixth community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Batak, Kutch,